Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Audacity tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how you can use Audacity to record system sound as well. It's pretty simple to do. First I open Audacity and switch this drop-down menu from MME to Windows WASAPI. Now I have to select the right input device. By default that's my Rode Podcaster microphone, and here I click on the drop-down menu and switch to High Definition Audio Device. Don't be surprised, the name here in front might be different for you because my computer runs with German settings. So I click on this. In the last step we have to change from mono to stereo again. This changes to mono automatically when we switch from MME to Windows WASAPI and is sometimes not even noticeable. So we change this to stereo, and with that we are done. I will show you this really quick because I prepared a YouTube video of mine and restart to record and the YouTube video as well. Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Windows tutorial. Okay, and now we will listen to this again. Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Windows tutorial. And as you can hear, this worked very well. And with that we are done. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.